Hey everybody, Professor Hatch, and this is just the week one overview video. Let me share my screen, and this is going to be short. That's my goal, anyway. So this is just our Canvas homepage, and I'm just gonna. I will already. I haven't yet recorded the Welcome to English 1A video, but I'm positive I'm going to call your attention to the quote there up at the top of. Well, just below the announcements, I guess. We don't have time, we make time. That was said to me a year ago by one of my professors for the doctoral program I was in. And I really liked it because that is really what this is all about. We are responsible for scheduling our time. And sometimes life throws a curveball, but this is a class, freshman composition and freshman math are classes that are very time consuming, and you are going to have, if you're going to do well in the class, you're going to have to schedule time for it. Anyway, what I want to talk about though is what's going on this week. So I'm going over to modules over here on the left, and then let's go down to the week one module. The week one every weekly module. Let's look at week two. It's going to look very similar. If we scroll down a bit, let's look at week 12. Very similar. I've got all of these things organized for you. I know this looks like a lot of things, but actually it's only the things with the due dates that you need to really concern yourselves with, which for this week is you've got the Baldwin discussion board, which you have to do after the assigned reading, which we'll get into that when we look at the overview. The first DLA, and then logging your time in the WRC. Please watch the video for how to use the WRC. If you click on this right here, here's the video of me talking about how to use the WRC. Also, I believe, excuse me, if we go to the DLA, I think the same video, yeah, same video is there as well. So please watch that video. And then, of course, if you have questions after you've watched it, text me on Remind. And then finally, the extra credit, which actually are the first two things you should do. Just knock those out. It'll take literally, I don't know, 2 minutes to do both of those things. And that's going to be 40 points of extra credit, easiest extra credit of your life. So every week, there is a list of assignments to do, but every single weekly module starts with an overview. So if you look at the week one overview, down here, this video will be right here as soon as I finish recording it. In any case, here is just the list of everything you need to do. First, the easy stuff, remind and self-enroll in the WRC. The assigned reading will be given here every week that there is assigned reading. Sometimes the assigned reading is actually watching a documentary. That's the case next week. And then once you're through with the reading, it says to go ahead and do the Baldwin discussion board, and then do the DLA, which is just this week kind of a simple intro to the WRC DLA, where it just goes into depth about how to use the WRC and various things you can use it for. When you're done with that, you will log your time, which I'm going to do. I'm just going to click on this real quick. When you log your time to the WRC, this is just a survey, and if you have questions about what's going on regarding tracking your WRC hours, please watch this video. But the short version is this is all basically on the honor system. There's no way of monitoring your time when you're doing this online, so I'm just asking you to do this. And what it looks like, I'm going to hit preview here, is here's the question. What did you work on in the WRC this week? I worked on an essay. I worked on a DLA. I read the assigned reading for the week. I worked on something else. Literally click on any of these and then hit submit quiz. And I believe if you do that, you'll automatically be graded with the 20 points or whatever it's worth. Looks like it's 1 point. I probably need to correct that. Doesn't matter. Anyway, please do that. And that's all you have to do. And I know it says, what did you work on in the WRC? You're obviously going to be working from home or Starbucks or wherever you work. That's all. Simple assignment. The school requires that you spend 50 minutes a week in the WRC, and since it's online, there's again no way to force you to. We don't track your hours for you, so again, it's on the honor system, and I just am trusting that you're spending as much time doing the work that you need to be doing. You're adults. I trust you. Just fill out that thing and say what it is you worked on, and that'll all be all I need, which is all the school's going to need when I have to report how many hours you spent at the end of the semester in the online WRC. Anyway, the last two things I want you to look at are the basic essay structure page and the structured writing from an outline page. Structured writing from an outline is actually just a series of videos. I made these, I made one big ugly video. It's like 2 hours long, which I don't expect anyone to watch because that's insane. But I made this, like, I don't know, pre-pandemic, I think, 3-4 years ago now, one summer, because I have no life. But these are just, this is me writing an essay from scratch, writing a persuasive essay from scratch. I did it. I recorded the whole thing, and then I cut the big ugly, even that big ugly 2-hour video is cut down. I think it was originally 3 hours. And then I took these various videos, and they're various lengths. Some down here, maybe closer to 20 minutes. Up at the top, we're looking at maybe 10 minutes. These videos, I promise you, are going to be enormously helpful for doing well in this class. They should also help you with, how to approach future essay writing assignments. And then the basic essay structure page is just sort of me talking about essay structure, going over what I'm looking for. This is what you need for an outline for this class. In terms of, this is what your essay, your completed essays, most of them anyway, will all have all of these things in them, except it'll obviously be in paragraph form and not outline form. Please read these 2 pages, or look at the videos on the other page and read over this page. Even if you just skim through it real quick, that is going to be very helpful, I promise. So that's it. That's all that's going on this week. There is quite a bit of stuff, but like, the extra credit stuff is going to take you 2 minutes. The log your WRC time is going to take you 10 seconds. DLA is going to take you maybe half an hour, just guessing. The assigned rating might take you a few hours. It's not a whole lot this week. There's a fair amount to get through. In future weeks, it will get busier. So again, we'll go back to the home page there. No one has the time, you make the time, right? That's going to be the theme of this entire semester for you, is time management. And I think that's all I really need to say about week 1. If you have questions, please text me on Remind. Please sign up for Remind and then text me on Remind. You can also send me an email through Canvas. That'll be okay. I greatly prefer people contacting me on Remind, just because it goes straight to my phone, and you will get the fastest response if you email me via Remind. If you send a message on Canvas, I will get the notification on my phone. It may take me a little bit longer to reply to you. If you send me a traditional email, it could take, and I'm not, this is 100%, this is generous. It could take 72 hours, like 3 days. In semesters past, depending on how crazy my life outside of school is, it has taken maybe even 4 or 5 days to get back, because the thing is, I only see the emails sent to my campus email address when I am on this computer or my laptop. I do not allow them to come through my phone, because my phone, I get like 300 emails a day. My phone would never stop chirping at me. Okay, I think that's everything I need to say. Join Remind, text me on Remind if you have questions, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.